Well, the charity received it with great delight. Said we had been working with government. We had proposed them a couple of the amendments that I said in the beginning, we're so delighted to see them that they have been passed by law for definite.
Because previously animals that didn't have owners weren't covered under legislation. So are you seeing animals here suffering from cruelty?
Oh yes, for definite. I mean, before the new amendments, feral cats were considered to be verming. Now with the new legislation, it gives it they are treated like any other animal and they deserve their respect, even though they are out in the streets. And there's lots of things happening to the street cats. There's the hit and runs from the cars, poisoning, the threats of the people, the ill health. We have to take care of them.
How do you think it will benefit your charity and the animals that you help?
I mean, new penalties have been implied, 5 years imprisonment if anybody is found to be guilty of animal cruelty. We also have amended the fact that if you abandon your pet, that would be considered an offence. New authority has been given to establishments such as the RGP and the animal welfare officers. And one of the most important is that the street cats now have rights.
And what sort of work does your charity do?
Well, our main duty really is to trap, neuter and release them. Obviously, we've shortened the population in Gibraltar. The last 4 years have seen us neutering up to nearly 500 cats and adopting over 238 kittens away from the streets to new homes.
Do you ever get any criticism or abuse for helping these cats?
Well, we normally get the usual ones. Not everybody can think as we think, but I think by educating the people as we are now, slowly they're coming to realize that cats, not only do we benefit if we feed them and take care, but the community will take the benefit of having cats around. They see to the vermin, to the cockroaches, and if neutered, we can all live happily together in the same community.
But would you say that stray cats could possibly be a nuisance to birds?
There might be. It's their nature. It is their nature to hunt, but I've been 4 years now working with the street cats, and I haven't experienced any massive problems where they've gone for birds and we are entirely with no birds left in the community. I mean, they do have to fight off pigeons and seagulls for them to feed as well. And they all work quite happily together. I don't see no major issues at all.